here in the land of 10,000 lakes. Shout out to Fish Brain. We found we could catch a lot of hogs at Lake Harriet. So my friends and I decided to head down there. Just cut this nigga in half. How do you think I should hook it? Through the mouth?
If you catch a bluegill, I know it's illegal, but like,
for real?
if you just drop it down there on a hook, the muskie will come out at it. If it's still alive, it has to be alive though. Wait guys, they're telling the muskie under the dock. Oh my god, oh I'm about to get hit. Wait, guys, what do I do with the muskie actually?
Yo, what the? My line.
Bro! Sorry, bud. I can get it out.
Damn! How big is that? Yo. Look at that tug. Yup. Hell yeah. Oh shoot. Oh yeah, I'm tweaking. Merch.
Pinch hard. Bro, you gotta pinch hard. I can't see.
For real? Damn. Bye bye, fishy.
Mom, what if they left early?
Nah, better put on the second piece. Second piece to the head. So let's see what we can catch with this one. That was the calmest catch ever, bro. All right. Oh my God, this rod is so messed. Oh shit. I love this fishing rod, but it's fucked right now. Shit, look how fucked it is, y'all. Of course, man.
Yeah, usually it's the teams that kind of give me some.
Oh, for real? I bet. So we're being asked to leave, so we're gonna go over to the dock on that side. There's that boy over there.
A guy by the name of Pepper Jack Zone.
Santi, bro, it's one-on-one. It's one-on-one. We're gonna see who catches the next one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yup. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Woo, Santi caught it. Yes, sir.
Take a picture. Fuck, I got him by the gill. Look at his mouth. Good picture, I know.
That's clutch as heck. Santi.
Get good pictures.
Yep.
This one first. He's kind of small, not that fat.
Santi, what you gotta say to the pike?
I hope he gets well soon.
What do you feel on this gill?
Yeah.
What does it feel like?
It feels like little shards, pokey kind of.
So we're gonna let it cool off and sit. You see how messed up our thing is. This is gonna have to be the thumbnail, bro. Look how messed up it is. I'm still trying to get this. Y'all, I'm starting to feel dumb fishing in a shallow zone. I'm about to go to some unrestricted area and catch some big bass. You think they're gonna hoe? Oh no. Ooh, there's a lot of fog over here. This is why I wish I bring my Crocs, but I'd be tweaking.
Just go barefoot.
Damn near. Okay, bet. Hey, yo, we're doing something different today. We gonna go in the water for real. You know, we gotta. For real?
Is that a little bass?
Yes, bro, the big bass was chasing it. It was like a 3-pounder, Lincoln.
No way. Oh, that's a little bass.
It was like
No way.
It's like a 3-pounder chasing this thing, bro. I'm not even joking. It might come over here. It's like a 3-pound bass. All right, boys. Did you get a minnow from that guy?
We're doing in-lake fishing now. This is different. We've never done this before. Oh, got one.
What is that? What you got? You got bass?
Oh, I had a bite.
Yes.
I literally had one.
The bass are active over here. I'm gonna go get me another minnow.
Bro, they over here. Y'all seen that tug? I'm not tripping, bro. I know I put that shit. Wow. Yeah.
Oh, that's the big one, bro.
Wow. Yep. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You got it.
Yes, sir. Oh, no. Yes, sir. That's a big bass. All right, bet.
Tight now.
All right. Hey. Actually, I have like a thing in my pocket. Actually,
What happened? You got a strong mouth.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, it was through there,
Yeah.
and then it came undone. So, damn, he's bleeding.
Yeah,
We gotta untangle this. And we gotta pull this line back through. And we
Okay.
gotta pull the hook out of it. So it was like that, right?
Oh, shoot.
What happened? Confused. Oh, I see. Kinda.
Kai, should I go get my backpack so we can
Oh,
use,
it's like
worms?
barely in there. We have worms, Lincoln?
In my bag, yeah.
What? Do you actually have worms?
Oh, not like live worms.
Oh, shit.
You have worms though?
Senkos.
Oh,
Ooh.
and then you pull that back there.
Oh, shit. Nah, don't move all of this fins and stuff.
Wait, what is?
Yeah, I think I just put it through here. Actually.
What happened? Oh shoot!
This motherfucker. Holy shit.
You need to calm down. I don't.
Yeah, just put it through. Yeah.
Wait, Lincoln, pull it. Oh, I see. It's through there. There is where it is.
Oh,
There's another hole in his
Here, should I
lip.
just try to like rip it
What
out?
happened to his
yeah.
lip?
I have
Kai.
pliers. Actually. Oh, shit, you good?
Here.
Yeah.
Shit.
He's been hooked a lot.
Do you feel like I'm just gonna rip his mouth open? Oh, it's like right lit.
There's seaweed in there. It's like a little bit right there.
Oh, it's just through a tiny hole.
Let me see if I got
Wait,
pliers.
just put it back. Just put it back through, Lincoln. Stop trying to saw his mouth open, bro. Put it back through.
Do you think these pliers will hold? Hold on. Let's try these.
Bro, this dude has been caught so many times.
Oh, damn. His fins.
Got it.
Oh, you got it? No, man. Okay,
Alright,
bet.
release him, release him.
Okay, bet.
I might need to revive him.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh, damn.
Bro, he's got a hole in his lip.
Oh.
All right, video me releasing him. Bye, little bass. Yeah, bro.
Ready to go. Dude. How's that look? That look yummy?
Damn, good looks, bro.